Hello, good morning, guys. Good morning to everyone. I hope I'm audible to all of you. Can you please confirm in chat box if you can hear me so that we can start this session? Okay. So this is the graph of Nifty. Okay. So what we will do, we will quickly uh, find out the important levels to watch in intraday for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So this is Nifty price graph, 15 minutes time frame, and you can see the Nifty as of now is in uptrend since 21st May. You can see the trend is up, and even if you look at the CPR, okay, you will find CPR is ascending CPR, okay, which basically indicates Nifty is moving in uptrend. So if you do not know about CPR concept, what you can do, you can visit our YouTube channel. Okay, the name of our YouTube channel is Trading with Charts, and you can look for this playlist, uh, pre-training video. You can look for this playlist, and we have three videos on CPR, so you will get very good information what CPR is, what is the concept of ascending and descending CPR. So as of now, you can see in Nifty, since last 1 week, uh, I get to see that Nifty is having ascending CPR. So this clearly indicates the trend is up for Nifty. Now let's see what are the important levels to watch for Nifty in today's session. Okay, so this was the first candle, okay, in yesterday's session on 15 minutes time frame. After that, you can see higher levels did not sustain and Nifty came down, and it exactly bounced from 15,528. So this is the level on downside you need to watch: 15,528, 15,530. Okay, so yesterday was 1st June. Even on 31st May, you can see Nifty came down and it exactly bounced from 15,530. Round off that number, you can see Nifty bounced. So 15,528, 15,530 is looking like a resistance. Now on upside, you can notice this is the rejection candle. From here, we got a big fall in just half an hour. So this can be the hurdle on upside. So the high of rejection candle, you can note down, it is 15,616. Okay, now once 15,616,615 is taken out, then you can expect this level for Nifty, which is highest as of now, 15,660. Okay, so these are the levels you need to watch. On downside, 15,530. On upside, 15,615 and 15,660. Now, let's say if 15,530 is taken out on downside by chance, then the next support you can look for 15,456. Okay, 15,450, 460 level you can look for next support for Nifty. Now let's move to Bank Nifty. So ditto like Nifty, you can see we can find out levels for Bank Nifty as well. So in yesterday's session, you can see Bank Nifty took support 35,241. So 35,240 is the support for Bank Nifty. Okay, on upside, okay, it is looking like a rejection candle, high of rejection candle, 35,536. Now, once this level is taken out on upside, okay, next resistance you can look for 35,750 or 35,700. So these are the levels to watch for Bank Nifty. So on downside, you can note down it is 35,240. On upside, 35,536 followed by 35,700. Now today's Wednesday, tomorrow we have a weekly expiry, so it is very important to look at open interest data also. So if there is any important update on open interest data, okay, I will upload the video, you can watch that. So when market will be live, we need to pay attention to open interest data. We need to look for strike price in which call writing and put writing is going on, so that you get the idea on which side we can expect expiry, on upside or on downside. Now let's look at the sale counter. Now this is the daily time frame. Okay, initially it was an uptrend. Now you can see what is going on. It is looking like a retracement we are getting in this counter. So this counter is completely range bound, or you can say sideways. So let's note down the levels. 117 is the support on downside. On upside, 128 is the resistance. So this price, the counter is moving in this price range, 117 to 128. So this is almost 11 points range. Okay, once 128 is taken out, you can expect 11 points on upside, or once 117 is taken out, you can expect 11 points on downside for this counter. So let's see how this counter is moving in coming trading session. Now let me show you the LIC Housing Finance, okay, on weekly time frame. So there is some interesting observation in LIC Housing Finance. Okay, weekly time frame for LIC. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, now this is the weekly time frame LIC Housing Finance. Okay, you can clearly see this counter has formed bearish or inverse head and shoulder. Okay, so this is the left shoulder, and then it is the head, and now this is the right shoulder. So I can see the neckline is around 486. So in yesterday trading session, uh, you can see it made a high of 490. The counter made a high of 490. So we want price to close above 486 on weekly basis. Okay, then you can take a long position. Once price break 486 on upside, okay, you can expect target 586 for this counter on weekly time frame. Now let me give you the update on one more stock. Okay, Titan. Okay, this is the price graph of Titan. Now this is the daily time frame. On daily time frame, you can see Titan is moving completely sideways. Okay, since the month of December, the move is completely sideways. So 1620 is resistance on upside. On downside, you can see 1400 is the support for this counter. So the counter is moving in 200 points range. So I can see the potential trading opportunity in this counter. The day will come, either it will break 1620 on upside or 1400 on downside. Now, meanwhile, if you wish, you can design, number of option strategies for Titan. You can go for bear call spread. You can go for short iron condor. So keep a close watch on this counter. 1620 on upside and 1400 on downside. Okay, so we have discussed sale, LIC housing finance, Titan, Nifty, Bank Nifty. Okay, levels to watch. Apart from this, anything you want to ask, you can ask in chat box. I will answer. Okay, so guys, I'm ending this meeting now. So we will meet 9:20. Okay, on Zoom meeting for Nifty strategy. Yes, Ajay, it can move to 16,000, but by what time we can expect? 16,000. We cannot say as of now. And if you look at the uh, June series monthly range, okay, 16,000 strike is having highest OI. So 16,000 can be the hurdle. So let's see how Nifty is reacting to that. So as of now, 15,660 is looking strong resistance. The kind of fall which we got yesterday. Okay, so 15,660 is hurdle. Once it is taken out, then only we can expect new levels on graph. Otherwise, for the time being, we can say this is the top Nifty has formed. Once this is taken out, we can expect uh, higher levels for Nifty. And for June series, 16,000 is resistance on monthly series. Okay, not on weekly series. Okay, so I'm ending this meeting. We will meet again 9:20 on Zoom for Nifty start. Thank you guys for taking out time and joining this live session. Thank you.